Greetings all. A very good morning to respected sir and madam. Myself Ushasri Kanchala, pursuing 4th year BTech Agriculture from Dr. NTR College of Agriculture Engineering, Angro University. I am selected for undergraduate inbound credit mobility program for 1 month training period to Malaysia. Firstly, we have arrived to UMK and there we had a welcome ceremony on 14th February. From UMK, we started to our respective universities on 15th February along with Dr. Pfizer. We reached to our UPSI University by evening. On 16th February, we had a brief session on our project and tasks that we are going to do this 1 month training program by Dr. Shafika Madam and Miss Aniza Madam. Here we are divided into two groups, each group of 5 members, and we are allotted to Mr. Aziz sir and Mr. Arif sir to guide us during this 1 month period. Coming to myself, my mentor is Dr. Mohammad Narfai sir and my coordinator Dr. Karul Azmi sir, and I am under the supervision of Dr. Shafika Madam and Miss Aniza Madam. Coming to university, I am selected for UPSI University. UPSI has two campuses, namely Sultan Abdul Jalil Shah campus and Sultan Azla Shah campus. I have selected to UPSI campus, which is Sultan Azla Shah campus, which is located in Proton City in Tanjumalim. Coming to our work, uh, firstly, we are divided into two groups. For the first 10 days, we are allotted to plot B, where our first project is on pergola landscape under the supervision of Miss Aniza Madam through Aziz sir. Coming to the details of the project is landscape means changing a small portion of land to improve its viewability, value, and aesthetic look. And pergola is most commonly an outdoor garden feature, which is a shaded walkway, passage, or sitting area of vertical post. Uh, for our project, we mainly use these material and tools, which are cement post, rods, lightweight, stepping stone molds, and wooden sticks. The common hand tools we used for doing our project is shovel, spade, trowel, wheelbarrow, spirit level, and all. Um, and the brief explanation of my project is mainly the steps involved are first coming to site selection. We have chosen a right location for constructing our pergola landscape. Then we made a plan on how we have to make our pergola. We have taken a dimensions of 2 into 1 by 5 1.5 meters, and after that completion of our plan, land preparation, we firstly we cleared all the weeds and the grass and bushes with the help of the grass cutter, followed by leveling the land using the hand tools like shovels and spades. Then after completion of the land preparation, we set posts in the concrete. Firstly, we dig holes up to 1.5 feet and then we place the cement posts in it and we embedded them with the concrete and let them harden for 2 days. After hardening of the cement, we level the land using the hand tools and we checked it for correct accuracy with the help of the spirit level. After leveling the land, followed by marking of the rods, we we mark the rods by using the marker, and we taken four 8 mm rods, two of 80 inches and two of 60 inches. After marking of the rods, we cut them with the help of the cutter. After marking and cutting is done, we attached those rods to the four sides of the post with the help of the binding wire. After tying those rods, we tied the light wire to the rods by taking an accurate measurement as it serves as the roof top side. After completion of tying the rods and the wires, we made stepping stones. Coming to making of stepping stones, we placed the molds of the stepping stone on the ground and we filled the cement mixture in it. We leveled it and checked it for the accuracy and smoothened it with the help of the trowels for the good appearance. And after letting it hard for some time, we removed the molds slowly, and after it is hardened, we designed the stepping stone using some stones and using our art. Also, we have done some activities in plot B regarding the first 10 days. namely weeding in pergola site, clearing the sunflower field with the help of the grass cutter, weeding in nursery and cleaning the nursery surroundings, sowing spinach seeds in the pot trays, and we transplanted those spinach seedlings into pergola site, planting Antigona leptos in pergola site, and we have applied fertilizer to coconut trees, that is NPK green, and also we did weeding in polyhouse which is located in plot A. These are the activities we done in plot B. Coming to our second project, for the next 10 days we are shifted to plot A for our second project on rock melon cultivation by fertigation under the supervision of Dr. Shafika Madam through Arif sir. Coming to rock melon cultivation, rock melon sweet melon is a melon that is variety of muscovine species from the family of Cucurbitaceae. The following steps involved in cultivation is: firstly, site selection. We have selected a greenhouse for our cultivation. Next, land preparation. It includes clearing the site, weeding in the greenhouse, filling the cockpit in grow bags, and fixing of pipes. Coming to our work, firstly, sowing of seeds. First, pot trays are filled with the pit moss and the seeds are sown in pot trays. Before sowing, we soak the seeds in water for 45 minutes to increase its germination capacity. After 10 days of sowing, we transplanted those seedlings into grow bags which are placed in poly house, around 156 grow bags. After transplanting, we tied the rope to train the plant to climb after growing. Coming to this second project, the site selection followed by land preparation and sowing of seeds was done by our friends first batch, and transplanting and tying of the ropes was done by us. Fertigation system. It is a technique of supplying dissolved fertilizer to crops through an irrigation system. Piping system. We have fixed the piping system. Firstly, we fix the lateral pipes. Those are LDPE pipes, and we fix the drippers to these lateral pipes. And we have rain checked if there any leakage in the mains and laterals by giving irrigation for once. After checking any damages in the pipes, we have mixed the fertilizer. Coming to mixing of fertilizer, fertilizer is dissolved in water by stirring continuously in 100-liter tanks. We have taken two tanks we named as tank 1 and tank B. Tank 1 comprises of macro and iron chellets. Tank B comprises of micro and macronutrients. After mixing of these fertilizer, we transfer this nutrient into the main tanks of 5 liters and 5 liters each. We have added the nutrition to the main tanks until the EC level reaches 1.5 Siemens per meter. We have checked the EC level with the help of the electroconductivity meter. After the EC reaches 1.5, we stop adding the nutrient to the water tank and we stop the dilution process. After completion of the mixing of the fertilizer, we have set the timings and the duration in the automatic mode. We have set that per day the fertigation will be given for 4 intervals. The plant intake will be 0.10 liters per minute. The other activities we involved in the last 10 days in plot A are weeding in polyhouse, clearing the surroundings of the plot A, scrapping of mushrooms, fertilizer application to maize crop, and sowing of maize seeds. These are the activities we have involved in plot A during the last 10 days. Coming to conclusion, through this 1-month training program, we got familiar with the new techniques in agriculture and also cultivation of rock melon. As this is our first experience in pergola landscaping, we are happy with our work and we will be using this knowledge in our future endeavors. Though we are familiar with the fertigation topic, we are unaware of the practical experience on how it works and how its installation. Being an agriculture graduate, this is very important technique that we have to know, and we are happy that we have learned here finally. Overall, we enjoy doing all the tasks and allotted to us, and we are grateful to our supervisors and the guides for their endless support and patience during this 1-month learning program. Thank you.